about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hi everyone, it's Dia. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for stopping by. I've had a few of you ask about my Kankens, so I thought I would do a video on them. These bags are made in Sweden, and you can purchase them through their online site, Amazon, Urban Outfitters, Nordstrom, and I just recently saw them at a Barnes & Noble as well. I've purchased a few of mine from Amazon, but I do recommend going into one of the stores to at least see what the colors look like. The colors on the website never really seem true to life. They always seem a little bit brighter. I've also found that the price is pretty much the same wherever you go, kind of like Apple products. So with that, I'm going to turn the camera around and show you how I use my Kankens. Let's start with my mini Kanken in ocean green. This is the bag that I carry with me every day. This bag was a gift from my daughter, and the price usually runs around $70 US. I like the color of this Kanken because it doesn't show dirt as much as my ochre one does, which you'll see a little later. So let me show you what I have inside. One of the things I love about the Kankens is putting pins on them. I got this one from a local coffee shop in San Diego, and if you watch Peter McKinnon, you'll know who this is as well. It's from James Coffee, and this pin my husband got me for Valentine's Day. It says best friends forever. In my front pocket, I carry mints. This is new. Sorry, it's actually my daughter's. I carry my Burt's Bees with me everywhere I go. And I usually keep a pin in here as well, just a cheap little pin. Originally, I thought I could keep my cell phone in this front pocket too, but it's a little bit of a tight fit, and when I need to grab my phone very quickly, it takes too much time. So I usually just slip this into one of the side pockets here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up now. One of the things I love about these bags is how wide they open. You can peel almost the entire thing back and see what's inside. First, I have this little bag that I got from Bath & Body Works, and I just keep a little pill box in it, some lotion from Lush, and some feminine stuff. I have my wallet, which is a Malden pocket size in Kingfisher blue. I got this Filofax from The Right Touch, and I'll go ahead and leave his link down below as well. Next is my Kindle, some reading glasses, and finally is my Getting Things Done and YouTube content planner. I also got this from The Right Touch. It is a personal size Malden in ochre. And in my other little side pocket, I'll usually slip my sunglasses, and sometimes I'll keep a little bar in here just in case I get hungry. Next is my regular size Kanken in ochre. This was the first Kanken that I purchased, and I bought it for about $80 at Nordstrom. This bag has a ton of room in it, and I absolutely love the color, but I don't know if you can see it on camera. It does get really dirty. This bag has been with me to a lot of places like Havasu and hiking, so I haven't babied it at all, but I think that it adds to the character. I haven't attempted to wash it yet, so if you have any suggestions for me, go ahead and leave those down in the comment area. I tend to use this bag for longer day trips and overnight trips. Just this past weekend, I took it to my daughter's competition, and this is the kind of stuff I usually keep inside. So again, on this, I have a button. I had more buttons on here, but they tend to fall off a lot because I don't baby this bag in any way. I've also found that pins with the rubber backing stay on better. When I'm out all day, I always like to keep water with me, and any of these double-barreled ones keep the water cold all day long, and it does slip right into this side pocket right here. A regular bottle will fit in here as well. So let me take that out and show you what's inside. In the front pocket, again, I keep mints, my handy Burt's Bees. There was more than just me. I had a couple of granola bars with me. I almost always have granola bars with me. I keep just a cheap little pin in here. And this is just a little traveler's notebook that I made to hold my AirPods. Just like the little bag, this one opens up really wide, which makes it really easy to pack and see what you have inside. It never fails. I always get cold, so I like to keep a little sweater with me wherever I go. Then I have this bag that I got from Pigtails and Pockets. I'll leave her link down below. I use it for all sorts of things. Right now I have my journal in here, and it has a really cute lining as well. So because I wanted to journal whenever I had the chance, I brought my pen box that I purchased from Daiso, and it just has my paintbrush and pencils and some pens and a ruler. And then I have my Winsor & Newton watercolors, and of course my original traveler's notebook. I think this is probably by far the favorite notebook that I have. I keep my journal in here and a little booklet to paint. When I'm out all day, I usually like to bring the book that I'm reading during my miracle morning with me because I'll sneak in reading whenever I get a chance. I also have my business binder in here. I got this from The Right Touch as well. He has excellent customer service and fast shipping, so I do usually get my Filofaxes from him. This is the A5 original, and I use it as my business folder, and I like to keep it with me at all times because sometimes one of my clients will call me while I'm out, and I like to have all their information with me. My husband and I also like to do a little bit of brainstorming when we have some downtime, especially while waiting for my daughter's competitions or performances or whatever it is she's usually doing. And of course, I usually have my Mac laptop with me because this is where I do most of my business. If I have a little bit of downtime, I could always edit some pictures or do any client follow-ups. Keeping all of this stuff in this bag, sometimes it does get heavy. So if you have that problem, you can buy some padded straps that clip onto these, and they go for about $20.
Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
And because these bags are so durable and easy to use and fit so much in them, of course my husband wanted one too, so we got him one in the regular size in black and ox red. And before my daughter purchased the ocean green mini, I had purchased this black mini. I liked it, but the color was a little bit plain, and I tend to wear all black, so I wanted my bag to have a little bit more color. This one has become the dog bag. We throw dog treats, water, and their leashes or blankets with us in here whenever we take the dogs out on a day trip. So one more thing I wanted to show you is just this weekend I realized I wanted to bring my camera with me to my daughter's competition, but I didn't want to have to bring my camera bag and carry more than one bag with me. So I found this little bag insert on Amazon, and it fits. This is my husband's Nikon D750 right now because I'm recording on my D810, but I was able to put my Nikon D810 in here along with the remote and some extra batteries. This bag doesn't shut all the way, but I wanted to show you how I had it on the bag. It fits into the Kanken regular size perfectly. So I'm not sure how well you can see that in his black bag, but I was able to put my camera in here and still have all this extra space up here to put stuff in. The bag was pretty inexpensive and it's really well made. Like I said, it doesn't close at the top, but it was perfect just to keep my camera protected so that I didn't have to bring my other larger bag with me as well. I'll go ahead and leave the link to this one down below. And of course, now that my husband and I both had these, my daughter wanted to try one out. She was borrowing my little one for a little while, and she would take this one a lot of times. So recently we bought her one for her 15th birthday. We got hers in brick, and she uses it as a school bag. So overall, of course, I love these bags. They're very durable. The zippers open all the way, making it easy to take stuff in and out. They come in a large range of colors, and you can fit a lot into these bags. And I just thought I'd show you a side-by-side comparison of the regular compared to the mini. And I hope you enjoyed a look inside my bags. Hopefully you can see why I love my Kankens so much. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section, and I'll be sure to get back to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to see more from me. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.